Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today, let us learn months in Dinka language. Months in Dinka are called pay, pay, pay. Months. Let us begin from number one. Pentok, 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 also called nyet, 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 January. Penrow, 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 also called kol, kol, kol. February. Pendiak, 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 also called akondit, akondit, akondit. March. Penguan, 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 also called akanti, akanti, akanti. April. Pendich, 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 also called adwong, adwong, adwong. May. Penditum, 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 also called aletbor, 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 aletbor. June. Aletbor penditum, aletbor penditum, aletbor penditum, adwong pendich. So pendro, 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 also called akoldit, akoldit, akoldit. July. Penbet, 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 also called bildit, bildit, bildit. August. Pendongan, 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 also called bialti, bialti, bialti. Bialti mean September. Pentiar, 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 also called lal, lal, lal. October, October is lal. Pentiar kutok, pentiar kutok, pentiar kutok, also called or baklay, or baklay, or baklay mean November. Pentiar crow, pentiar crow, pentiar crow, also called conpiu mean December. This pentiar crow is called conpiu. The word conpiu mean stop, like konindinka. Conpiu mean it's like stopping water. So it's restricting water. Conpiu, to stop the water. That means in South Sudan, December there is no rain. So especially in Barkazal there is no rain. So that is why it is called conpiu. It has stopped water. Piu mean water. Con mean to stop or to restrict. That's what it means. Conpiu, December. So 13. Pay. Pay. Pay mean moon. 14. Pay. Pay mean months. Quell. Quell. Stars. Akol. Akol. Akol mean sun. Nyal. Nyal mean sky. Nyat. Nyat. Nyat mean cloud. Deng. Deng mean rain. Rain. Akol atuch. Akol atuch. Akol atuch mean the sun is hot. Sorry, this is hot. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Akol atuch. Pin. Pin mean ground or earth. Ground or earth, that is pin. So what is Nyal Kuping? Nyal Kuping. Please translate this for me. I want to learn. Inakan, The End by William Majak Malek Deng, Ran Pyoy Tongjang, Tongjeng, or Dinka. Please go to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TB5. Please go there and subscribe. Watch our video. We want more subscribers there in our YouTube. Thank you for your subscription in advance. TikTok name is Land Dinka with Majak. Nyalik Abuek Dodge, God will bless you all. So this is the topic for the months in Dinka language. So if you want me to make a recap, I can do it. Pentok, Nyet, January, Penro, Kol, February, Pendiak, Akondit, March, Penwan, Akanti, April, Pendich, Adwang, May, Penditum, Aletbor, June, Pendaro, Akoldit, July, Penbet, Bildit, August, Pentungan, Bialti, September, Pentiar, Lal, October, Pentiar Kutuk, Orbeglai, November, Pentiar Crow, Conpiu, December, Pay, Moon, Pay, Month, Quell, Stars, Akol, Sun, Nial, Sky, Nyat, Cloud, Ding, Rain, Akol Atuch. The sun is hot. Pin, ground or earth. Nyal Kupin mean what? Yanakan? That's the end. Bye bye. Thank you for those who are going to watch this video. Please share with your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Nyali Kawek, Kuyania. Thank you very much. Bye bye.